Pretty Pallete. This is Shreya Gaur.
And this is Bharadwaj.
So she's my cousin sister here on the set today, and I'm really very excited to doll her up. So many of you suggested me to have a tutorial on smoky eyes. So I'll try smoky eye on her, and we'll give you the tutorial side by side. So yeah, let's get the ball rolling. So I'm gonna apply rose water first. So we'll moisturize now. For watching my video, hope you liked it, and subscribe to my channel, comment below did you like the look or not. And I guess Geet loved the look. She's busy taking pictures there, so